How to redeem an eBay gift card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem an eBay gift card. For this, you can open up any web browser and head over to ebay.com. Now sign into your account using all of your credentials. Once you have been signed in, you want to explore the website and find the items that you want to purchase. Once you find the item that you want to purchase, tap on the option of Add to Cart. Then you can tap on the View in Cart option or tap on this basket icon at the top. Then in your shopping cart, you will find all the items over here. Now simply tap on the option of Go to Checkout. That is going to bring you to this payment page. Now here you can tap on Pay With and select your payment method. If you have an existing eBay gift card, tap on the option of gift cards coupon eBay bucks. Here you will have to enter your code. Once you enter it, simply tap on the apply option. If the code you have applied is valid, your gift card will be applied, and this is simply how you can redeem an eBay gift card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.